Hey Stampers, Diane Dimich here with DDStamps.com, and today I'm here to introduce you to my Create With Me Club kit for May. Wow. Okay, so this month we are using some of the new product in the new catalog, and hopefully you've gotten your new catalog. And if you haven't and you don't have a demonstrator and you want a catalog, just send me an email or give me a call and I will put one in the mail to you. I did send out catalogs to everybody that requested one and to my customers. And they should be, you should have it by now. I sent them out a couple weeks ago, so they should be there. If you haven't gotten it, send me an email or give me a call, and I will get another one out into the mail to you. Just because I want to make sure everybody has one. So the catalogs go live May 5th. This Create With Me kit is going live now, and it is a monthly subscription that I do. And so for this month, we're doing 4 different cards. You get enough product for 2. I'm going to show you the products that come in the kit, and then I cut all your cardstock and your cards and get ready for everything. And any die cuts that aren't part of the bundle that we're using that month, I send those to you too. So let me flip my camera, and I will show you what we're using this month. All right, so the Create With Me kit is, like I said, it's a monthly subscription. This month we're using the Relaxing Waterside stamp set and die set. And I do want to show this die set. It shows it on the front cover, but I want to show you the actual size of the chairs. So there's 2 different chairs. One of them cuts out the image of the chair, and the other one makes a die cut chair, and you have 2 different backings for that chair. And then these are all dies that cut out the various images in the set. And then, so you have the birds, you can cut out the book, the high grasses, coffee cup. And then you have some standalone dies, like I said, is the chair, but you also have these cattails, and we're going to use those this month too. Anyway, it's a really fun set, and the paper is gorgeous. All right, so to do the projects like I have done, you are going to need several ink pads. I used Gray Granite, Pool Party, Misty Moonlight, Pecan Pie, and Old Olive. Those are all colors that are in the papers that we're using. And then I also used some blends. I used Pecan Pie and Old Olive blends. And then you're going to need either sponge daubers or some of the blending brushes, because I do a little bit of that. But let me show you what comes in the product kit, and then I'll show you the cards. So your kit will come, and you will get a pack of embellishments. So these are the loose anchors, and they're fun. Just to add to your cards. I kept looking at these when we were at On Stage and thinking, man, you could make some earrings with those too. Anyway, so there's that. You're also going to get a pack of the Baker's Twine Essential Pack, which is 5 different kinds of twine, and we're going to use some of them, and actually they'll all coordinate with this bundle. But I have to show you this paper, because this paper is to die for. So your kit will come with a half a pack of designer series paper, and I leave them 12 by 12, ship them to you that way. And then you'll use some of the papers in your projects, and then you'll also have some that you can use for other projects. But I love this sheet because you have all these different backgrounds that you can cut up and use. But it's a beautiful watercolor paper. Gorgeous. I love the seagulls. Plaid is my favorite. I love all these little various, I'm sorry, I just looked outside and it's snowing. I love all these little water things. Some wood that we're going to use and make some stuff with it. I do like this stripe. And then, of course, the oars and all the life jackets. It's just a really pretty paper. All right, so the cards that we're making this month, like I said, you get 2 of each. You get to make, I'll walk you through a video making the cards to help you with some of the techniques that I used so that we can, so we'll all learn something. Like I said, any of these dies that come with this kit, I've cut these out and set them in your kits for you. So those are the cards for this month, and I'm excited. Like I said, I'll put the information in the description below, and there'll be a link there. You can go to my website and kind of check out the whole situation of my subscription club. But you can also get just a 1 month if you just want to try it out and see what you think. there'll be a link for that too. So I'm excited. I look forward to this new catalog coming out next Tuesday. It's very exciting. Lots of new in colors and lots of fun stuff coming. So thanks. If you haven't already done so, sign up for my newsletter where you'll get tips, tricks, and techniques from me every week. And you'll also find out what's going on, what I'm doing in my business and what kind of classes I'm offering. So take care and have a great day. Thanks.